Good morning, I'm Kim.
I'm Brad.
We're 626 Ohana, California, and today we are on our way to the Magic Kingdom and we're going by monorail.
So yep, we'll kind of go there, check things out. We've been there once, but we have a whole bunch of new things we're checking out, so we'll hopefully learn some new things.
And have lots of fun.
Yep. So we'll see you at the Magic Kingdom. We're waiting for the monorail.
We did. That was easy. One came right out of the other. So that was kind of magical.
So that's a nice way to start out the day.
Yeah, seeing Mickey and pals is always a good start.
So I'll put the video in right now of them up on the porch. It's always kind of a cool thing to look up and see.
Yeah, they found a good way to do characters.
All right, so let's go ahead and walk down Main Street. All right, so Peter Pan done. 25-minute wait, not too bad. So we're off to where?
Under the Sea Adventure with the Little Mermaid.
All right.
Sorry, sun's in my eye.
Hey, it's a bright sunny day out. What can you complain about?
We haven't seen this kind of sun yet, and walking off Peter Pan, it's like, wow.
Okay, so far so good today.
Yeah.
Let's go. We just got done with Little Mermaid. It was less than a 15-minute wait.
So that was easy, in and off, fun ride. And now we're hungry.
Yeah, so we're gonna go eat lunch, and we're gonna eat lunch over there, if you can see it, which is the Liberty Tree Tavern. And we are gonna do an updated review because it has changed for 2021, so be on the lookout for that. So we'll get you out that review later on. So we're gonna go eat lunch, and we'll see you after lunch. What do you do after a big lunch?
Go ride roller coasters.
Okay. No, Big Thunder Mountain it is.
Yep.
Oh, fine. That's all you eat, remember?
I didn't go that far.
Oh, I thought it was a challenge.
I didn't take it as a challenge. I didn't want to be sick all day.
I did. All right, let's go see how it happens.
Find somebody else to ride coasters with.
All right, lunch stayed down.
That was way less than a half-hour wait that was marked. It was only like
10 minutes?
Yeah, 10-15 minutes. So that was amazing. And I'd actually heard that a lot online, that for Big Thunder Mountain, that the waits are routinely less than 30 minutes, even when they're posted at 30 minutes. So just a little tip.
It's actually shorter than we've been here on normal days.
Yeah.
So that's been one of the few.
Yeah.
All right, so where are we going
we'll
now?
get more surprises like that.
Yes. So the weird thing about what's going on is that we usually have all these planned out. So
we had fast passes before,
yeah,
so
right there we didn't have anything planned out.
It worked out.
So we decided Pirates.
Yeah, we'll see what goes on over there.
Let's see how long that wait is. Oh, fun. But this has been the interesting thing about this whole trip.
We're not as planned as usual, so this feels very odd.
Yep. All right, let's go see some Pirates. Do they have rum?
I hope so.
Ooh, rum. Alrighty, Pirates.
Now, that was awesome. It was fun. It's always a good time. Now we're off to Jungle Cruise, and we want to check out and see what changes are happening in the updates.
Yeah, so, yeah, Pirates was about the right time.
Yeah, 35 minutes was 35 minutes.
So if you want to know our take on the differences between Disneyland and Disney World Caribbean, we'll link the video down below. But there is quite a few differences. So let's go to the Jungle Cruise.
And check out what's going on.
Okay, let's go on a voyage with, what's the group called?
Oh, let's go see what the Sea Explorers are up to. Yes. Thank you.
40 minutes. Okay, Jungle Cruise. A little bit shorter than the time posted.
Yeah, there's a lot taken out, a lot of changes that obviously they're reimagining at the moment.
So while we're in line, we had our own entertainment.
Yeah, they're two little adorable twins who were just playing, and they kept the whole line entertained. I think we were trying to entertain them, they were trying to entertain us. So that's kind of fun.
That made the line go faster.
It did.
We're gonna head off to Seven Dwarfs Mine Train and
have fun.
Yeah. Ooh, did we get to see Dopey?
I hope so.
Hey, yeah, don't be on both coasts now. All right.
Just 2 different rides.
Ariel, getting a line. There's Ariel's go. 50 minutes.
Okay, this is a time fast passes need to come back. It's publicly been said the capacities have risen. The argument that is there for fast pass.
Not too bad.
Yeah, no, and the waiting in the air conditioning was nice.
Good thing about lines here, they're inside mostly.
Yeah, but the nice part is the spirit is still here. Like, we still get talking to people in line that are around us, even though it's 6 feet apart. And it's kind of nice to, once again, see people again.
Yeah, and, you know, talk to Boston fans about thank you for Mookie Betts. You know, big Dodger fans here. And then also another couple from California.
Yeah.
So this is a great thing about coming out to Disney World and being able to do this stuff.
It really is a small world, right?
Yep. So we're gonna go do People Mover and relax.
Yeah, you know, that's kind of one of our favorite things to do. And just kind of look around the whole Magic Kingdom, Fantasyland, Tomorrowland, or I guess Tomorrowland area.
So,
and just, you know, relax, and it's
right
one
now,
of our fun things that we love.
Yeah. Right now it's about taking our time. We know we're gonna have wait, so
yeah,
just gotta make the best of it. So
absolutely.
Alrighty, on to People Mover. Hello.
Oh, hey. What? Here, I'm not gonna wait there. I keep moving.
Please wait here. No sense of humor?
I have a sense of humor. I'm just waiting to see how long it takes you to get hurt. I'm so happy that People Mover is back by the time we came.
The Stitch sign is completely gone now.
Aww.
They graced the experience in 66.
How dare they?
We finished People Mover.
Yes, we did.
And it was amazing seeing how much Tron has moved.
That is gonna be incredible when it opens. It looks so cool.
Yeah, it's been about a year and a half since we last seen it. And so the progress from then to now has been pretty big, yeah.
And then,
while we're over there, you might as well do carousel progress, right?
yeah, so that's always a nice relaxing time, and it's a good story.
The great thing about both those rides, 5-minute wait.
Yeah, so that was a great way to spend our afternoon.
So I think we're gonna finish our rides today at Magic Kingdom by
Splash Mountain.
All right, let's go get wet and head back to the hotel room.
Right,
Oh,
that's
fun.
a perfect combo.
Okay, we'll see you on Splash. 65 minutes till get wet.
Okay,
All right.
build the suspense.
Oh, wet there, honey. Me too.
Actually, I think I got work to do.
You want to go to the foyer?
No.
Let's start back there.
Yeah, no thank you.
Go all the way down there.
Why?
Go shopping. You like shopping?
I do, but I also know I can go to Disney Springs and not wait in that long, long line.
Well, obviously this Splash.
Yes.
And it's kind of different than when we have at Disneyland.
It is.
So we'll do a comparison there.
A video will compare.
Later on, yes.
Yeah.
But we both got wet, so that was fun, and we're on our way back out. The tip is if you're going to go shopping, do it early, because that line to the Emporium was crazy.
So like in the middle of the day when it gets a little warm or something, or when you first get there, but don't wait till the end of the day because it gets long.
Yep. So we're headed back to the Grand Floridian. We have dinner plans tonight.
Yes.
So we're going to go eat at
Narcosis.
So we'll have dinner at Narcosis. We'll show you what we're eating, and then we'll wrap up our day. So we'll see you after then. So we got back from Narcosis and we had a great meal.
So I started out with a calamari And it has a marinara sauce, but they go really light on the marinara, so I wish there was just a little bit more.
Yeah, and then I ended up having the shrimp and grits. And then for my dinner, I had the filet mignon, which was excellent.
I had the surf and turf filet with the lobster tail, and it was really good. It was cooked perfectly. It was nice. Yeah. Brad and I didn't exactly do really nice Mother's Day, Father's Days last year, birthdays, things like that. So we decided we're going to enjoy some fine dining while we're here to kind of make up for loss of celebrations last year.
Really, the menu hasn't changed so much. We'll link our review down below, Nicosi's. But the only thing that was missing from the dessert menu was the Nicosi's bar.
So it was like a chocolate bar that was decently good.
And maybe it's just something they're planning to bring back when they've gotten capacity back up.
Maybe.
Because it was a signature dessert for them.
So we'll see, or maybe they'll just change the menu.
Yep. So, things that we've learned today. There's a lot. One is patience. Right now, there's a cheer competition going on. And a lot of teams have already been eliminated from that competition. Which is flooding the parks a little bit. So yesterday, May 13th, Disney announced that they were raising capacity of the parks. And we could feel it yesterday, and we were talking about it if you watched our vlog yesterday, that it felt a lot more busier. We were right.
Yeah, exactly. And so that's kind of been a little bit of a drawback because we weren't expecting that. But with the extra people, they're still not doing fast passes or anything else, which kind of stinks because we're going back to long waits.
You're getting closer to that hour wait, 45 hour, and in some cases more wait times.
But you're not able to get on all the rides.
Yeah, so we feel like we're getting really restricted. And just those 3 passes that you can make for your advanced reservations made a huge difference to us every time we were riding. So hopefully they bring that back soon.
We really hope they do because we're feeling the crunch.
Yeah. And then we're hearing a whole bunch of changes that are coming, so we'll bring those changes as we see them and see how they feel.
Yeah, it could happen while we're here. We could end up maskless.
Yeah.
For the vaccinated individuals, which we both are.
Yeah.
And for outdoors only, I don't know how I feel about this.
Well,
I'm really on the fence. So outdoors, I don't feel so bad. Indoors, I'm not so comfortable with.
Yeah, another thing to be aware of, if you're really wanting that 6 feet distance in between you, you can't always count on it, unfortunately.
Even 3 feet, because we still have people... Literally, I don't understand, but even in normal times, why you want to walk into somebody's backside.
I had somebody run right into my backpack and just stand there and looked at me like I was in their way. And I'm like, it was weird.
We're not trying to be rude, but...
No, we were really trying to be nice, and it was just, sorry. You know, but...
It just gets awkward.
So if you're not feeling comfortable going to the parks with people being close to you, it may not be a good idea to come to the parks right now.
Exactly, and we don't know if the mask change is going to happen while we're here or not, but if that's something that you were counting on or decreased capacity this summer, I think all that's about ready to change.
Yeah, well, I think we're going to see a change here soon. Another thing is that we've noticed, and we've talked about this between Disneyland and here, is there's a lot more hand stations for hand sanitizing stations here, but there is no sink and waters.
So they don't have those portable hand washing stations anymore. They have gone away.
Yeah, so we saw those gone. But I think the name of the game right now for us is that we're trying everything new because we are not used to doing this.
No.
And is trying to just go with the flow, and you're going to have patience. So
it is, but you know what? We've had some really good conversations with people online, so that kind of helped makes it better.
Yep. We had great conversations with people from California. We had the twins that were...
Okay, those girls were too cute.
I felt bad for their parents because their parents looked exhausted.
But I think everybody in line was taking turns entertaining their daughters and just kind of like making faces and playing. And
bubble machines when you have young kids is the best entertainment of all.
Oh my goodness. They gave one of their twins, and they both said they were 18 months, and one had a set of bubbles and the other had like the little fans with the water. And they were both entertained. That's all they needed. And yeah. I mean, if that would have worked for us, for Hayden, and the little bubbles, I've been like, have at it. Anything to keep you happy and calm in line. And then they entertained all the other kids who were with the bubbles.
So with that, I think we're going to call it a night because, well, we're getting a little tired.
Yeah.
And we just want to have a relaxing evening and back in the room. With that, I think it's time for us to say goodbye and
find your magic. Bye, everyone.